Everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing, application, and review of the Ailun tempered glass screen protector for the 6.1 inch screen for the 13, 13 Pro, and the iPhone 14. This is tempered glass, so it's rated at a 9H hardness rating, pretty much as hard as a diamond, but that just means it's very scratch resistant. The harder something gets, it also tends to become more brittle. So you see on the back, it does say anti-shatter, which means that there's actually a little protective film that if you were to crack the glass shards won't be, flying in different pieces, so protecting your fingers. Let's go ahead and open it up though. There's an easy open tab right here that you press down on to rip open the box. Some various pieces here mainly to just help you apply the screen protectors. Because this comes in a set of 3, you do get 3 wipes to help clean your screen off. This little piece of paper is letting you know it's possible your screen is not perfectly flat, so then the screen protector won't sit flat. But I never heard of this happening. If you were to apply this on an iPhone 11, which has a curved screen, then yeah, this wouldn't really work. And the first time I've seen something like this. But you also get another piece of paper here. This is the warranty card information. And then you have your stickers that you can use as a hinge. I'll show you just a moment in the application process. And then finally you have your 3 tempered glass screen protectors. So this is everything you get right out of the box. So with the unboxing out of the way, let's go ahead and move on to the application process. So as with any tempered glass screen protector, you always want to make sure that your screen is completely clean and free of dust, lint, or anything that may get trapped under the screen protector. And that's the case for really any screen protector, but it's particularly for tempered glass because if you mess up the first time, you can't really redo it. So this doesn't actually come with any instructions on how to properly apply it, so watch this video for sure if you are first time doing this. But it always starts out with placing the screen protector with the film to be removed face down on your phone screen, and it helps with the alignment if you do already have a case on there like mine, so no need to remove your case in this process. And then once you have the alignment that you want, go ahead and take those guide stickers. I like to also call them hinge stickers because they will act like a hinge between your screen protector and your phone, so that you can easily just go ahead and flip it onto your phone after you move that protective film. And this is when I notice a deficiency compared to all the other tempered glass screen protectors I've applied in the past. Nothing really wrong with the glass itself, but rather these stickers are just really not sticky. So they didn't do a very good job of securing the location of the screen protector against my phone. Plus there are only 2 of them and they're very narrow, so I think they should have made these stickers stickier and bigger. So for those of you who still want to get the screen protector because it is at a good price, you may want to just get a piece of tape to reinforce the hinge. Now moving on to the actual cleaning process preparation of the screen underneath. Now they don't provide any kind of lint cloth, which is fine because the ones they usually provide are pretty cheap anyways, and generally you don't really need it. So what you want to do is just take that sticker that they have and try to remove the big dust or lint items on your phone, and then that's where these wipes come in. So you can take out the wet wipe to go ahead and apply that, and then use the dry wipe to go it once over, making sure there's no fluid left on your screen, and just doing a quick once over because you really don't want any kind of artifacts between your screen and the screen protector. And now when you're 110% sure there's nothing in between, that's when you bite the bullet and remove the protective film and go ahead and flip it onto your screen, assuming that your alignment is good. But it was during this process that the stickers came undone, as you can see here, which was really frustrating. I had to redo my alignment again. So that's definitely a downside with this particular set. But assuming that you followed my advice in adding more stickers for the hinge, you should now only need to worry about pushing out any remaining air bubbles by using your 2 thumbs, applying pressure starting from the center of the screen to push it outwards. And then of course removing those terrible stickers. So here's the first look of how the screen protector looks completely brand new on my phone. You can see I did a reasonably good job here. The phone is off, so you can't really tell if my notch alignment was any good. But turning on the phone, I do notice there is a little speck of dust that I did get trapped under, unfortunately. And also with the screen on, you can see how my alignment with the notch wasn't perfect. And I do blame the weak hinge stickers in this case. But I can see if with proper application, with no dust underneath, this screen protector would look really nice. You can see that there is no haloing effects, and the screen and colors look perfectly accurate with this additional film on. So 3 months later, how does this screen protector hold up? Well, here's a quick close-up. There are a few very indistinguishable, at least on camera, micro scratches after constant use, my phone in and out of my pocket or my bag. I haven't really dropped it on the screen, so there aren't any cracks to be seen. And if it's anything like my other tempered glass screen protectors, there will be that film to hold any cracks or splinters in place. Since the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro, 14 don't have that curved edge screen like the iPhone 11 does, now the screen protector goes almost edge to edge here. You can see I do have a little lip from my case, but it fits within that case perfectly fine, and I do like that it has pretty much maximum coverage. So clarity and quality, I think it's all there. I don't see any defects when watching an HD video or if I'm playing a game. It does have an oleophobic coating, so your finger will still glide across the screen as it would without a screen protector on. But for a 3-pack, it's definitely a great value right now on Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check out. Could use better, stickier hinge stickers. But other than that, if you follow the instructions in this video, you shouldn't really have any issues. So hopefully this video was helpful to you all. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.